can greet people in Te Reo Māori. Let's go through them together first, making sure our pronunciation is correct, and then we'll do a little quiz after.
Morena, you give it a go. Morena means morning.
Don't forget to make the O sound longer. It has a macron over it, so we say it like or, not or. Atamarie, you give it a go. Atamarie means good morning.
Kia ora, you give it a go. Kia ora means hello.
Ahi ahi Māori, you give it a go. Ahi ahi Māori means good afternoon.
Poor Māori, you give it a go. Poor Māori means good evening.
Now, let's see if you can remember what each one means.
We will show you a word, and when you think you know the answer, put your hand up.
One of your learning coaches will select you to give the answer. We will give you time to say your answer before we share the word.
Ready?
What does ahi ahi Māori mean? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer? That's right. Ahi ahi Māori means good afternoon.
What does morena mean? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer? That's right. Morena means morning.
What does kia ora mean? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer? That's right. Kia ora means hello. Did you know kia ora is also a way of saying thank you?
What does atamaria mean? Put your hand up if you know, and your learning coach will pick someone to share. Ready for the answer? That's right. Atamaria means good morning.
What does poor Māori mean? Ready for the answer? That's right. Poor Māori means good afternoon.
Did your hub get 5 out of 5 correct? Toke, well done.
Now we're moving to our next segment, Kupu o te Rā.
Kupu o te Rā means word of the day in Maori.
Today's Kupu o te Rā is hikoi.
Hikoi means walk. For example, ka hikoi tātou ki te papa tākaro.
Which means we will walk to the playground.
Ready to repeat after me? Hikoi. Well done.
Now we're moving to our next segment, Ki waha o te Rā.
Ki waha o te Rā means saying of the day in Maori. Today's ki waha o te Rā is Oua, which simply means I don't know.
Here's an example. Hey Tristan, what's 543 times 7,821 divided by 33.45? No calculator.
Wow, that's tricky. Oua.
Ready to repeat after me? Oua. That's right. Again. Oua. Well done.
Let's now recap what we have learned today. Repeat after us.
Morena. Morena.
Repeat after me. Atamarie. Atamarie.
Repeat after me. Kia ora. Kia ora.
Repeat after me. Ahi ahi marie. Ahi ahi marie.
Repeat after me. Hikoi.
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 Repeat after me. Po marie. Po marie.
Repeat after me. Owa. Owa. Kamote wihi. Awesome.
You can now use these greetings, our kupu and our kiwaha or te rā, in your conversations with your friends, learning coaches, and whānau.
We look forward to seeing you for tomorrow's Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori meeting.
Kia kaha te reo Māori. Make the Māori language strong.
Ka kite.
Bye.
End it.